I've been seeing a lot of people complaining about the lack of representation in the rugby national team, the Springboks. As you can see above, Siya Kolisi is the only African person there. The rest is white and colored. So my thing is, at this point, we shouldn't be even be complaining about the national rugby team because we have bigger fish to fry. Because Bafana Bafana hasn't even won the World Cup. So, but anyways, the national team, the rugby national team, the Springboks. My solution to this is very simple. We rather let these people have the rugby team because at this point we cannot really compete with them because we know for a fact now that Nelson Mandela somehow negotiated with Europeans that the rugby national team would be run by them. That's why it's so impossible, even with quotas, to get black or African players into the rugby national team, the Springboks. The best solution is that we must not complain about representation on the rugby national team. No black players, no African players, it's fine. They can have an all Caucasian, all European Springbok team. It doesn't matter at this point. The main focus we should be having is on Bafana Bafana because we qualified for the FIFA World Cup for the first time in a very, very long time. The rugby national team, and like, we shouldn't even care about them. We should be caring about Bafana Bafana. That's our main focus. We need to win the FIFA World Cup with our main squad because, as you can see, already we are there, right? We already have the players. So why are we focusing on rugby? And how many African players or black kids are interested in rugby? Rugby, we are soccer players. We are soccer players. We are not rugby players. So please, the people who are so desperate for Africans or black people to be represented in rugby, man, like, who are those people? Because me, I'm not really interested, man. Like, I'm not interested in rugby. I'm interested in Bafana Bafana. So whoever's crying about rugby, man, already you can see, like, look at that squad. You can already see, man. Like, what's the complaint all about? Let's just focus on our side. Bafana Bafana.